We just came out with our new mid-torque impact wrench. It's only 4.6 pounds, 575 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 740 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. You're gonna love carrying this around the job site all day. The user interface comes with 3 speed settings, as well as some mode settings. These auto modes are like ABR, which is auto bolt release. If you're ever backing a bolt out, the tool detects when the bolt is loose and it stops right away, so you're not flinging that bolt out of the way. And then we also come out with 100% torque. You know, if you like driving at maximum torque, we also have that mode too. All right, let's try this tool out. In front of me, I have a 5/8 threaded screw, and now we're going to go ahead and fasten this. And then backing it out, so the tool stops by itself. There you go.